In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location using Nordvpn in 2025. Have you ever experienced a situation where you needed to access content that's restricted to a specific geographical location? Or maybe you just want a little extra privacy while you're browsing the web. Whatever the reason, changing your virtual location can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive into how you can seamlessly achieve this with Nordvpn. First, make sure you have the Nordvpn application downloaded and installed on your device. If you haven't already done so, head over to the official Nordvpn website and download the app suited for your operating system, be it Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. Once you have it installed, go ahead and open the Nordvpn app. After launching the app, you should see an intuitive interface. On the home screen, you'll find several options, but today, we're particularly interested in the option labeled VPN. It's usually pretty prominent, so give that a click. This button directs you to the primary function of Nordvpn, which is to secure your online connection and alter your virtual location. Once you're in the VPN section, look for a tab or button that says Countries. This feature is where the magic happens. By clicking on Countries, you'll be presented with a list or a map showing various server locations around the world. This interactive feature is incredibly user-friendly and allows you to pick a country where you'd like your virtual location to appear as though you're browsing from. Now, go ahead and select a country of your choice from this list. Imagine you're located in one country, but wish to access content available in another. For instance, if you want to watch shows exclusive to the UK, you might choose a server from the UK. Simply click on the country, and Nordvpn will do the rest for you. The final step is to establish the connection. Look for a button that says Connect or Quick Connect. Clicking this will initiate the process of connecting your device to the servers in your chosen country. It may take a few seconds, and once it's connected, you should receive a notification confirming your new virtual location. This tells you that everything is working as it should. From here on, your online activity will be routed through the selected country's server. And that's it. You're now able to browse the internet from your new virtual location securely. Changing your location with Nordvpn is a simple yet effective way to unlock a new world of content and privacy options. Whether it's for work, play, or privacy, Nordvpn has made it straightforward and accessible for everyone. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing!